Hi, I'm Jim Carson from Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Orangeville, Ontario, and Bad Dog Mods, our modification shop. You know, today I want to talk to you about the little details, the small details that only an experienced, quality-minded dealer can bring to you as the consumer. Behind me, absolutely gorgeous truck, a 2018 Super Duty, our FX6 package, featuring a FabTech Dirt Logic suspension, just a truly great off-road suspension, Fab 4s, front and rear bumpers, rigid LED lights, air design fender flares, painted to match, air design hood scoop. Great looking truck. And that's what we're famous for. But what a lot of people don't know is what we put into our builds, the small details. And here's something I want to show you. We're going to go back in time 100,000 kilometers. And this is unfortunately typical of what happens of any vehicle with any brand of shocks, is the shock absorber's painted surface is going to suffer stone damage and begin rusting. Now, this shock I'm holding here, this is one we installed 100,000 kilometers ago. You can see the rust on the end caps. You cannot see, at least not very much at all, that rusty painted finish. In fact, it has stood up just great. The reason? We took a few extra minutes, a couple of extra bucks, and it's all included in our builds. We've wrapped this shock in 3M paint protection film. As a matter of fact, top of the line Scotchgard Pro. It gives you gloss, it looks great, and it's a shock shield. It protects your shocks from that ugly looking rust. You know, the trucks are lifted, they sit up high. You spend all this money on a truck, $100,000 like the one behind me, you don't want to have those rusty shocks hanging there. It just ruins the whole ownership experience. So trust us at Blackstock Ford Lincoln or at our modification shop at Bad Dog Mods. We do the little things extra. Well, thank you for watching. Please come and visit us. We're Blackstock Ford, Highway 9 in Orangeville, Ontario.